Looking for a budget-friendly printer that actually delivers? We've got you covered. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best home printers of 2025, from performance to long-term value so you don't waste a dime. All product links are in the description, and yes, we only feature products we've carefully reviewed and analyzed, so you can buy with confidence. At number 5, we have the HP LaserJet M209D. If you're after a budget-friendly black and white laser printer that punches above its weight, the HP LaserJet M209D is worth a serious look. Priced around $119, this compact machine delivers surprisingly sharp text quality, better than most mono lasers in its class, making it a great choice for light-duty printing at home or in a small office. It's simple to set up, comes with a front-loading 150-sheet tray, and even handles automatic duplex printing with ease. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The M209D lacks Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and mobile printing support, so it's best for single-user setups with a USB connection. You also won't find any fancy add-ons like a bypass tray, scanner, or additional paper capacity. The running cost is about 3.7 cents per page, which isn't ideal for heavy use but manageable for low-volume printing. Still, where it shines is print quality and speed, especially for short documents. Text is crisped down to 4 points, and while graphics and photos aren't perfect, they're more than decent for monochrome use. If you don't need color, scanning, or wireless features, the M209D offers excellent value and earns its place as a top pick for basic laser printing. At number 4, we have the Canon PIXMA TS7720. The Canon PIXMA TS7720 is a compact all-in-one inkjet printer designed for light, occasional use, perfect for home users who want solid print quality without breaking the bank. At just under £14, it's desk-friendly and easy to set up. It supports printing, scanning, and copying, with convenient features like dual paper trays, mobile printing, and automatic duplex printing. While it lacks an automatic document feeder and only scans up to letter size, its intuitive touchscreen and mobile app support add convenience to daily tasks. Performance-wise, it's not the fastest printer out there, especially when compared to competitors like the Brother MFC J4000, 335DW, or Epson WF 2960, but it shines where it counts: output quality. Text prints are sharp, and photos look vibrant on glossy paper. Its dual tray system, 200 sheets total, also makes switching paper types a breeze, a rare perk at this price. Running costs can be steep if you print often, particularly due to its 2-cartridge color system that wastes leftover ink. However, Canon's optional ink subscription can help cut costs for frequent users. In short, the TS7720 isn't for power users, but for casual printing with standout quality and convenient features, it's a smart pick in its class. At number 3, we have the Epson EcoTank ET2800. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 is a budget-friendly printer that's perfect for anyone tired of constantly buying expensive ink cartridges. Its standout feature is incredibly low operating costs. You can print thousands of pages for under $15, making it ideal for home offices or small businesses that print often. It's also a multi-function printer, so you're getting scanning and copying on top of printing. However, there are trade-offs. The print quality for graphics and photos is just average, with muted colors and loss of detail, especially in lighter tones and shadows. If you're looking to print vibrant photos or sharp marketing materials, this isn't the printer for you. Text printing is decent, although it lacks the crispness of higher-end models. Setup is simple, and the mess-free ink refilling system is a big improvement over earlier EcoTank models. It's reasonably easy to use, with a compact design and a tiltable, backlit display. But it's slow, high-resolution, and double-sided printing takes noticeably longer than competing models, especially since duplex printing requires manual intervention. Overall, if your top priority is affordable, high-volume, everyday printing, and you can live with slower speeds and average quality, the ET2800 is a solid, economical choice. At number 2, we have the Canon PIXMA G3270. The Canon PIXMA G3270 is a compact all-in-one inkjet printer that shines with its ultra-low running costs and wireless capabilities. Designed for home or light office use, it handles printing, scanning, and copying, though it keeps things simple with no automatic document feeder (ADF) and no auto-duplex printing. One standout feature is its megatank system, which includes enough ink to churn out nearly 6,000 black and white pages or 7,700 in color, and when it's time to refill, the cost per page is just a fraction of a cent, perfect for frequent users. Setup is straightforward, and mobile printing via Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi Direct is smooth and quick. The printer is compact enough for small spaces, and comes with a rear paper tray that fits up to 100 sheets. That said, frequent paper reloading, slow print speeds, and manual duplexing might be frustrating for heavier workloads. Scanning is flatbed only and limited to letter size, which could be a deal breaker for some. If you print often and don't mind taking the manual route for duplexing or scanning multiple pages, the G3270 offers excellent long-term savings. But if you need speed automation or higher paper capacity, competitors like the Brother MFCJ 4335DW may suit you better. At number 1, we have the Brother MFCJ 4335DW. If you're looking for an affordable all-in-one printer that balances speed, functionality, and low running costs, the Brother MFCJ 4335DW is a standout choice. For just $159, it delivers impressive value with fast printing 20 ppm mono, 19 ppm color, automatic duplex printing, and a built-in fax, all in a compact design ideal for home or small office use. Its running costs are incredibly low at just 0.9 cents per black and white page and 4.7 cents for color, saving you serious money over time. Paper handling is solid, with a 150-sheet tray plus a manual feed slot, and the 20-page ADF adds convenience for scanning and copying, though it only supports single-sided scans. Setup is a breeze, and you can print or scan via mobile apps or Wi-Fi Direct. It even supports cloud services and works with Alexa, although setup details are vague. Text quality is decent, but not ideal for tiny or stylized fonts. However, color graphics and photos look vibrant, and smudging is minimal. If you need a feature-packed, budget-friendly printer for light to moderate use, this one hits the sweet spot. It's no surprise it's an editor's choice for light-duty inkjet iOS. That wraps up our picks for the best budget home printers this year. Whether you're printing schoolwork, documents, or family photos, there's something on this list for every need and budget. If one caught your eye, you'll find trusted links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know which one you'd go for, or if there's a hidden gem we should check out next.